Hey guys, Mark Tablon here. Welcome everyone to 2022 vlog. My very first vlog this year, and I hope you guys had an amazing 2021 because we did. My wife and I were so busy last year filming and photographing weddings that exhaust us to the bone, but it was all worth it and we are very grateful. But unfortunately, I haven't been uploading videos here on my YouTube channel. Things that I wanted to change this year and I wanted to focus on. Especially now that I'm a full-time filmmaker, I have more time to make more videos for you guys. To those who subscribe to my YouTube channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart and appreciate you guys still with me even though I don't upload videos more often. My goal this year for this channel is to, of course, monetize and reach 10,000 subscribers, and with your help, I know that it's possible. I will try to put as much information on this channel to help you become a better filmmaker and to help you reach your goal, whatever your goal is. Right now, I'm currently working on a camping video that we filmed last Saturday and some off-roading video with my friends. And I know that the video is not informative, but I hope you enjoy watching it and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. That's it for today. This is a very short message, and again, thank you for taking the time to watch my previous videos and I appreciate all your support. So let's all work hard this year and let's reach all our goals. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and for my 1,000 subscribers, I promise you guys that I will try to put more videos here on my YouTube channel and be more active. So until next time guys, peace.